When companies in North America start scaling their cloud-native applications, the conversation often turns to managed Kubernetes. Two of the biggest contenders are Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, often called EKS, and Google Kubernetes Engine, or GKE. Both promise easier cluster management, solid security, and high reliability. But they take different approaches to solving the same problem. Let's break down which one might be the best managed Kubernetes platform for North American companies. Let's start with Amazon EKS. EKS is Amazon's managed Kubernetes offering, built to integrate deeply with the rest of AWS. The idea behind it is simple. You get the flexibility of open-source Kubernetes, but without the pain of managing control planes and manual scaling. Amazon takes care of the heavy lifting, running, patching, and updating the control plane, while you handle the worker nodes and workloads. One of EKS's biggest strengths is ecosystem integration. If your infrastructure already runs on AWS, EKS fits in naturally. You can connect with Elastic Load Balancers, IAM roles, CloudWatch monitoring, and auto-scaling groups. This makes it straightforward for teams already invested in AWS tools to extend their workloads into Kubernetes. Now let's talk about Google Kubernetes Engine, or GKE. GKE has a unique advantage. It was built by the same company that created Kubernetes. Because of that, it often feels a bit more polished and easier to manage out of the box. GKE handles both the control plane and node management in a smooth, automated way. Cluster upgrades, node pools, and auto-scaling happen with minimal effort, which makes it very beginner-friendly for teams moving to managed Kubernetes. In terms of performance, GKE is incredibly efficient. Google's network backbone is known for low latency and high throughput, and that shows when your workloads scale. GKE's auto-scaling features are some of the best in the industry. It can add or remove nodes based on demand almost instantly. The platform also supports both standard and autopilot modes. The autopilot option fully abstracts infrastructure management. So you just define your workloads and GKE handles everything else automatically. So how do they compare head-to-head? EKS is the best fit if your company already relies heavily on AWS. You get consistent security policies, one cloud bill, and tight integration with your existing services. It offers flexibility, deep customization, and reliability across every major AWS region. In the end, both are excellent managed Kubernetes platforms. EKS gives you the flexibility and scale of AWS with deep configurability. GKE gives you the elegance and simplicity of Google Cloud with unmatched automation. For most North American companies, the best choice often comes down to where your infrastructure already lives and how much management overhead you want to handle yourself.